We're going to get our install tool that we had made in Russia since I forgot it in my luggage, or forgot to put it in my luggage. So we found this machine shop thanks to Eugene's contact. Do you get it? So you did it on this machine.
Окей, на этой машине сделал? Да, yes. Это дип машина, догоним их.
Good. Good to see you. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm doing a video for our adventures.
Coffee factory here.
Oh, really?
Company. Yes, this is the type of the...
Вот такой.
Wow. Look at that. I knew you could do it.
Good.
Должна.
Шайба.
Sure. Try bar.
Шайба. И вот так сварка. Затянул, сварка.
Nice.
Вот так.
Tighten and...
Wow.
Окей?
It looks great.
Но
Like a CNC.
выглядит замечательно, конечно.
Look at that.
Пробуем. Это он как раз себя записывает.
Made in Russia.
Говорит. Сделано в России. Сделано в России. И поехали. Мать.
Презент.
Oh,
Это
silver.
это сувенир. Презент.
Серебряная уже made in the former Soviet Union.
Oh.
Alloy.
50 лет.
Спасибо.
It's
Очень
about
спасибо.
50 years old. And this
Now this is my second souvenir from you gave me the one with the bear
Ага.
and the man with the bear.
Это второй. Это мужик с рогами.
Sweet.
Тоже вот рогатиной. На него сказали, а тоже у него на этом столе. Мужик с рогами.
You want to play some ping pong? Pop that out.
Это теннис.
America versus Russia.
Do you play table?
Yeah.
Do you play table tennis?
Americans versus Russians right here. So fast.
Надо же, а?
He is playing with his buddy.
Good job. We just had a fun one there. Now it's time to get out of here. Going to our warehouse in Russia where we have our parts. I have to sign some papers for the orders that we got this time. The container's still not here, so it seems like I'm on my third day in Russia and no container of parts. We got farms that are waiting for them to rebuild their drills, and yeah, so hopefully the container arrives. Or actually the container's in Russia, it's not released from customs. So we got to get this thing released from customs so we can do our work, and then I can go back home next week. And I still got to go to Ukraine, so how's all that going to work? We'll see. Huh, nobody's here. I'll just take a seat and wait. Hello, Armand. I am in your office. All right, see you soon.
days after your arrival. This
3
is
days.
the first time we're going to visit our client.
Right, so
Real
we
one.
visited a farm yesterday, and it was a good visit. We did have solutions that they wanted to purchase. Some of them right away, some will be this summer when we can get them parts and they can have time to rebuild after spring seeding.
You see they're signaling you.
We're getting flashed,
Slow down, flashed.
which
So-
means there's probably traffic police up here. Other drivers are so courteous to tell you when there's something coming up.
Well, they're helping each other because they understand that
It's
you
the
also-
drivers versus police.
It's just drivers versus police. Yes, it's
So wonderful. What a wonderful country.
yeah,
There they are.
it's,
It's such a wonderful country. We need to do this in the United States.
It's
So
solidarity.
we've got a container that's stuck in customs. Even though we shipped it before Christmas, before the Christmas shutdown, and it sat there until January, end of January, and they finally shipped it. And now it made it to customs here in Verona. We had to make a plan. We had to just assume that the parts would be here in time, or we would not be here at all. And so yeah, we've got a situation here. Hopefully they release it from customs here by tomorrow. Because after tomorrow, then it's a holiday. So it's a 3-day long weekend. And I got next week, that's it. And I'm heading back home. I still have to visit Ukraine. It's not good. Hopefully things turn around quickly. Same one that rises in America.
It's the same.
It's the same fireball. It's the same sun.
The same. That I would say that fields are the same. Trees, all these
Similar?
trees band similar, but the sky is different and the clouds.
Yeah. So what city are we in, Eugene?
Alexeyevskaya, Belgorod region.
Ah, Belgorod region.
It's already Belgorod region.
We like Belgorod region. It's a nice region.